standing right beside our Global 7500, which was donated from Bombardier. And our students really get to come out here and see how different aerospace and aircraft systems are deployed on a real aircraft. Of course, this is the most cutting edge technology that's out there right now. And so students get to see really what a modern aircraft looks like. So we've got lots of retired aircraft. This aircraft was actually Flight Test Vehicle 4. So this was involved in the testing phase. So there's still a lot of the sensors that our students get to learn about as they go in this aircraft. We also like to use this to attract new students, where they get to see what it's like to be in and around cutting edge aircraft. Avionic systems, landing gear systems, control surfaces, all of course they learn about in lecture, in theory, and then once they get to come here and actually see how it gets deployed in an aircraft, very interesting. It makes for a good both marketing tool and learning tool as well.